Well, down that way is California. And we just had an excellent meal here at the, whatever the name it is. Where's the name on this? There it is. Family Restaurant. Right there at the west end of town. That's Main Street right there. That was great. Not a good service. Very a lot of room in it. The food was good. Look for the McDonald's sign and go past that place and stop right here. I think you'll like it. I sure did. Now I'm going to put on some pictures I just took in there. First stop in Quartzsite was something to eat, and everything we got is delicious. What was the name of this place? I'll get you.
Family or restaurant.
Man, everything is delicious and looks good and tastes great. Best carrots I've ever had. Anyway, I'll get a picture of you outside. If you're coming through Quartzsite, it's at the end of the, let's see, be the west end of the town. I'll get you a picture. That's Vickie's fish. Look at that. That's good looking. Yep, good place to eat. She's doing. We're filming. We got Charlie Blood on the camera. We're gonna go. I think we got to go across the bridge here, and it's a Highway 10, isn't it? Freeway 10.
Yeah, right.
Interstate 10. We're gonna go across it. The restaurant is right behind us. That was. Anybody got a complaint? Oh, you didn't like the fries.
Right. I should have got tater tots.
Yeah. Fries were good if you like them spicy. But the rest of the food, I had no complaints. I loved it.
Some of us still like real French fries.
Yeah. Anyway, we're leaving there right now. We're going to try to find the big tent. That's what goes on here. If you don't know what goes on in Quartzsite, it's a lot like going to Sturgis, only with RVs. It's full of RV people, full of RVs, and full of places you can spend your money on said RV. So we're going to cut across here and not get hurt. We also got a few homeless here and there. Now we're going to go over here and get onto road. What's that? How'd they say that, Vickie? Koala? Kuan? But we don't want to get on the freeway. We're going to go over one more, I think. There it is right there. We're going to go straight. And this should take us into the back way. When we turn this corner, or you could, yeah, there you go. That's Quartzsite. That's my nose. We're going to turn right here. We're in on this Kuan, however you spell it, K-U-E-H-N. Now this should take us back in there, and you can see the tip of the tent way over there. That's where we're headed. Well, we made it almost to the entrance of the big tent. I mean, if you want an RV, woo-wee.
All you gotta have is money.
Oh yeah, that's all we're missing is money. I wonder how much that one is.
Somebody could sleep here.
Oh yeah, look at the size of that basement. Oh man, that's nice looking. Anyway, we're gonna go in the big tent. I knew they'd have food here, but we had just had a good meal. And we missed the road to here, or we would have been coming in the backside. But that's okay, we're here now. They got outhouses, we can get some progressive insurance. Funnel cakes. Oh, look at that barbecuer. That's good size. Wooden stuff. Lots of things in there, guys. I'm not even going to show you. There's so many people filming inside there that everybody will have something on there that's probably a lot better than what I'm going to do. But this is it. I'll show you a little bit on the outside in a little bit. Four aisles like this. We already been waiting for a long time, and we finally found the prettiest women here.
Good grief.
Yeah, ain't that? Yeah, this is the middle. And this is the wares. What we're looking for we haven't found yet. I don't know if it's even in this tent. If not, we probably won't ever find it. Tripod torch. These are awesome, guys. He's got a website too. Well, I'll get you the name of that. But you can put this in there and it directs the heat.
Let me crank it up for you so you can really see the flame.
Holy shit. That's warm, I'll tell you. And where does the gas come out? Down the bottom and top?
There's 12 holes drilled into the burner.
Oh, I see.
In a spiral pattern. We tried to make it look like a campfire as much as possible.
I see how that works, yeah. Well, that's pretty cool. And where are you located? This is on the, what would that be?
On the north
east
side, northeast side of the big tent here behind us.
All right, you guys come and check this out. And it packs up in that little package there, so you can throw it in the RV.
Yep, that's it. Right there. Hose, everything you need.
Wow. That is awesome. All right, well, thank you, sir.
Thank you.
All right, guys, we're going to leave now, but I wanted to show you these little units right here. This one's only $269,995 for that little. And you got a model to show you how pretty it is inside. Which one's your most expensive one? That silver one?
Gray one.
Well, I'm gonna go look in it.
Okay.
You know I ain't gonna afford it, but I'm gonna look in it. Hey girls, hey, where'd they go? I lost the girls. I had two women with me.
Now you got none?
Now I got none.
Boy, you're going downhill.
They probably beat me over there. All right, well, we're gonna check this one out. I don't know where the girls went. That's some stairs there. Man, you trip on the first one, you're going to die before you get to the bottom one. Come on out, guys. All right, had to let people out. Let's see what we got in here. I don't know how much this one is, but she said it's spendy. There you go, captain seat. Boy, that's comfort. Drive all day in that. How much is this one?
$710.
Woo wee. Yeah, makes you want to back out of here for sure.
Yep.
Wow.
Jump out, really.
I've seen a really good house over there for less than that.
Yeah.
Man, there's your price right there, guys. Man. I guess there's people that can afford them. I mean, they wouldn't be making them if people wasn't buying them. I bet your TV's behind there. I bet you hit a button and that goes away and that comes up. This ain't that big. Yeah. That's the end of it. I can tell it's diesel, it's running. The air conditioning's going too. Nice. Very nice. But I think if I had the money to spend on this, I'd probably just buy a house wherever I'm going. And buy a house on the other side where you're going. Anyway, we're going to call that an end. I got to go find the women. They left me. We've had a good time here in Quartzsite, Arizona. And I could drive this off. Keys in it, it's running. Anyway, good time here. Hope you're enjoying the videos. I'll keep pumping them out.